My name is Fennen, and my major is communications, and I'm graduating this May of 2025. My future plans after Atlantic Cape are to work as a freelance writer for Mainland Magazine and EHT Living, as well as going to Rowan to pursue a career in sports broadcasting. So making connections with people, networking, building relationships, that's really what I plan to do. So Atlantic Cape was kind of like a godsend to me because when I first moved down here, I came here to find a new way of life. And so when I enrolled at Atlantic Cape, I was an online student first, and then I started coming on campus, and once I did, I found a community here, and it really made my journey here that much better. I wanted to pursue a career in journalism. Well, so my uncle, he has a degree in communications, and he's retired now, but he was a producer for MTV and Nickelodeon in the 80s, and they moved him to England, London, England, to work on the Nickelodeon studio over there. And he had a degree in in communications. He had a degree in communication. So I knew that if I majored in communications, my life and my dreams and stuff could really prosper, because it's like a really big umbrella. It's not just one thing. And I'm not good at math, really. I don't like math. I've always just loved writing. So I figured if I learned how to write professionally, then I could really take myself somewhere with my writing.